In this chapter, there is a story of children are moving around and they remember that a thick fog-like layer in the atmosphere. During winters, you will experience that sometimes when there is fog, then the visibility becomes less. But there is another thing which occurs in the cities, which is called the smog. Smog is made up of smoke and fog. The smoke contains oxides of nitrogen which combine with other air pollutants and they form the smog. So smoke mixed with fog is called smog, and the smog causes breathing difficulties such as asthma, cough and wheezing in children. Smog is considered to be more dangerous because smog looks like fog, and when you breathe, then since the smoke is dissolved in moisture suspended in the air in the form of fog, then it enters inside our lungs and dissolves in the moisture of the lungs and it forms poison. Many industries are responsible for causing air pollution. Petroleum refineries are major cause of gaseous pollutants like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide. These are gases which are given out from the refineries. Sulfur dioxide is produced by combustion of fuels, by burning of fuels like coal in power plants. The power plants which generate electricity, they burn a large amount of coal to produce heat. This heat is used to boil the water in the turbines and then in the boilers which move the turbine to generate electricity. Now when electricity is generated, a large amount of sulfur dioxide gas is given out due to burning of coal. This coal causes formation of poisonous substances. It can cause respiratory problems including permanent lung damage. So you have studied about this earlier, but it causes permanent lung damage because sulfur dioxide is acidic gas. If we breathe in sulfur dioxide gas, this sulfur dioxide gas goes inside our lungs and it dissolves with the moisture present inside our lungs because our lungs contain moisture. So when this sulfur dioxide dissolves in moisture in the lungs, it forms sulfuric acid. This sulfuric acid forms an acid inside the lungs and it destroys the cells of the lung, and therefore it can result in cancer also. So the same thing happens in smog also. In Delhi and metropolitan cities during winters, smog is seen. It looks like there is a cloud, but this cloud is situated at the lower altitude. So during the smog time, most of the schools are closed because children breathe and the air is at the lower altitude which contains acidic substances which can enter inside the body of human beings and cause